In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from the US to the Philippines using PayPal. Before you begin, make sure you have the recipient's PayPal details ready. This can be the email address linked to their PayPal account, their phone number, or their PayPal username, depending on what information they've shared with you. It's important to double-check these details before sending anything, because money transfers should always go to the correct person. Once you're ready, open PayPal and sign in to your account. From the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Send and Receive. This is where you'll manage payments and transfers. Go ahead and click on it to continue. Next, choose the Send tab. This is the option you'll use when you want to transfer money to another person. PayPal keeps this process pretty straightforward, so once you're in the right section, you'll be able to move through it quickly. Now enter the recipient's details. You can type in their email address, phone number, or name depending on the information you have. If PayPal shows matching results, carefully select the correct person and confirm that the details are right. Taking a moment here is a good habit, especially when sending money internationally. After that, enter the amount you want to send. Make sure you review the amount carefully before moving on. Depending on your settings, PayPal may also show you currency conversion information or transfer-related details, so it's a good idea to read the screen before confirming. Once everything looks correct, confirm the payment. After you review the recipient information and the amount one last time, complete the transfer and that's it, your money is on its way. As a quick tip, always verify the recipient's PayPal information directly with them before sending, especially if it's your first time making a payment to that person. Even a small typo can send money to the wrong account. It's also helpful to check any fees or exchange rate information shown during the process so you know exactly what to expect. That's the full process for sending money from the US to the Philippines using PayPal. It's simple, fast and easy once you have the right recipient details ready.